Hi, we're going to go over the closed syllable again today. Remember, a closed syllable is one vowel followed by one or more consonants, and we're going to apply that skill to reading two-syllable words. So remember, the first thing we do, we look for our vowels. Our vowels are right here. I underline them. I look in between my vowels. I look at my consonants. I divide between the consonants. I divide between H and M because S and H is a digraph, so they stay together. I look at my first syllable. I know it's closed, that's the type. The sound is ah, and the syllable sash. Cover the first part, look at my second syllable. The type is closed, the sound is eh, and the syllable is mit. I read my whole word, sash mit. Let's go ahead and do another one. First thing, look for my vowels, underline them, look in between my vowels at the consonants and figure out where I divide them. I know that I'm going to divide between the S and the F because the F and the R is a blend and they stay together. I'm going to look at my first syllable. The type is closed. The sound is ah. The syllable is das. Cover that up. Look at my second part of my word. The type is closed. The sound is it. And the syllable is frill. Now I read it all together. Das frill. Now you're going to do some with me. So first, you're going to get your pointers ready. You are going to pretend to touch my vowels. Let me know where my vowels are. That's right, you've got that. My vowels are right here, and I have two vowels, so I'm going to underline. Go ahead and pretend to underline with me. Now that we know that we have two vowel sounds, let's look in between, and you let me know how many consonants. Yep, we've got two, and we know that we have to divide between the two. Let's go ahead, and you're going to pretend to cover the second part, and let's look at the first part. Everyone, let's do this together. The type, closed, sound, syllable, gup. Let's go ahead and pretend to cover the first part. Let's look at the second part. The type, closed, sound, syllable, bat. Now let's go ahead and read that together. Gut bat. Let's do another one together. Get your pointers ready. Point to the vowels with me. How many vowels? We've got two. We're going to underline them. Let's look in between. We've got our consonants in between, so we have to divide. We know that we're going to divide between the P and the S because the S and the H is a digraph, so they stay together. So let's go ahead and look at the first part of our word, our first syllable here. We're going to cover this up. Pretend to cover with me. Type, closed, sound, syllable, lop. Let's go ahead and cover up the first part. Look at the second syllable. Type, closed, sound, syllable, shep. Let's go ahead and put that together. Lop, shep. And let's do one more for today. Okay, get your pointers ready. Point to the vowels. Let's underline the vowels. We've got 2 vowels. Let's look in between to know where to divide. That's right, we divide between the P and the N. Let's go ahead, cover with me. Pretend to cover the second syllable while we look at the first syllable. Type is close, sound is eh, and the syllable is ship. Go ahead and pretend to cover the first syllable. Let's look at the second syllable. Type is close, sound is eh, and syllable is nest. And let's go ahead and read the whole word, ship nest. Good job.